Welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the UltraPro 36-inch hardwired under cabinet lights, a versatile lighting solution with 3 color settings: 2700K warm white, 4000K cool white, and 5000K daylight. Perfect for creating the ideal ambiance in your kitchen. This dimmable under-counter lighting is compatible with in-wall LED dimmers, giving you complete control over brightness and color temperature to suit any mood or task. Designed for easy installation, it comes with all the necessary mounting hardware for a direct wire setup, and the push-in connectors make hardwiring a breeze. With its long life, energy-efficient LED technology, you'll never need to worry about replacing bulbs, ensuring a worry-free experience backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Plus, the UltraPro series offers a range of sizes, including 12-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, and 48-inch options, so you can find the perfect fit for your space. Whether you're looking to enhance your kitchen's aesthetic or improve functionality, these under-cabinet lights deliver both style and performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.